Hey everybody. So this seems a familiar site, doesn't it? You have just installed Windows 10 and you have installed Mozilla Firefox. So you will open it and the first thing it says, it's not currently your default browser. Well, let's make it your default browser. Now even then, Microsoft is very adamant you try Edge anyway, so click this and set it to Firefox, and even then it wants to ask you to keep it, so click switch anyway. So no, okay, so that's done. I want to close. Alright, yes, okay, I've closed it. Alright. Do you remember the days that Firefox or Internet Explorer or whichever browser you used looked just plain simple classic? Well, if you open Firefox now these days, this is what you get. What the hell is this? Where are the tabs? The tabs are below the address bar. They used to be. I'm sorry, the tabs are above the address bar. They used to be below the address bar. They moved the home button all the way to the right, which is very illogical, because if you are, imagine you are entering a site here, like, let's say CNN.com, for example, whatever, and you want to be back to the home button, you have to scroll all the way to the right to the home button over here. So this does not look good. So pardon my bad English, but I will try to make you understand how we can fix up Firefox to make it look great and classic again. Well, to quote this guy, let's make Firefox great again. Alright, how we do that? First of all, we click on the right button here and activate the menu bar. Alright, now we have got the menu bar. We click on Tools, click on Add-ons, then click on Extensions, and what you need is Classic. Well, that does it. You need Classic Theme Restorer, so install it and restart it. Okay, now go back to Tools, click on Classic Theme Restorer, and you only have to do a few things here to make it work. First, you click on Tabs and click on Position, Tabs not on top, and click on OK. Now you will see that the tabs are below the address bar. That's very nice. Alright, we click again on Classic Theme Restorer because we aren't finished yet. Click on the general UI and click on the movable back and forward button. I always click reduce space between buttons because, well, why waste the space anyway? So that will do, and click OK. Now we've got the back and forward button again at this location. we can close this one. What we do now is set the start page to something more simple, like google.com. So if we hit the home button, it just shows you the Google, well, Google Netherlands, it means Google Dutch for me, so it will show you the Google page. Alright, right, like this. Alright, now go to the top section of the window again and click on the right mouse button and click on Customize. Now, don't be scared by all these icons you are seeing, because you can do everything with them you like. First, click this away. Now, you want to be this home button. Where is it? Where is the home button? This home button to go to the left. So you can just pick it up and drag it all the way to the left, where it should be. And we should have a reload button next to it, and we should have a stop button between it, like the old days. These icons used to be on the browser in the old days. Now we go to the right side. We don't need this one. 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 And we don't need this one. So this looks far more better, right? Click the home button and we've got Google. So there are more things you can do with it. So you can install several more add-ons, like dictionaries or ad block browsers or something like that. But the main thing is that this website, this browser is just looking like the old days again, just with these symbols here, and this is the address bar. If you like the weather, I don't know what sites are popular in the United States, but here in Holland we have, for example, let's say telegraaf.nl. Yes, we agree to cookies. And you click on the right button again, you can activate the bookmarks toolbar. This will open another bar here. So delete this value and delete this value, and you can drag this value to there and rename it through properties. So I call this Telegraaf and click on save. Nice, eh? Now we have got a site called Meteo Times. It's a weather forecast website. It shows all the weather going on in the Netherlands, like rain, wind speed, humidity, weather forecast, temperature, wind, etc., all the stuff. So I can drag this one there too and change the name. Meteo Times, yes. And so I can add a lot of websites here on this entire bookmarks toolbar. Alright, on this bookmarks page there's not a lot there to find. So from my previous computer installation I have saved a bookmarks file, so I will import that file into this one. So I click on show all bookmarks, then I click on import and backup. I import backup from HTML, then I look for it in downloads, yes, and it is called bookmarks.html. So I open it. So now it will show you all my bookmarks. Alright, now I will delete this one and I will delete this one. And I will tell you why. It's because I already have my bookmarks in this toolbar ready. So how do I fix this? I am going to show all bookmarks. This can be a little bit tricky, but you have all bookmarks in the bookmarks toolbar in the bookmarks menu. So scroll down here and you see a bookmarks toolbar here, and these are all my bookmarks. So what is the idea? Is to select all these bookmarks. So I hold the Control key and select all these links. As you can see, I have shortened the names so they will fit in the bar perfectly. These have to go to the bookmarks toolbar. Bam, there they are. I have got them all here. Well, this one doesn't belong there, so I go to customize and I take it away there, from there. So this symbol here represents the download thing you are downloading. For example, if I go to File Hippo, this is the site where I usually get all my stuff, like crap cleaner. Always click the green button. Yes, ignore this damn movie. Yes. Alright, click on save file and it will say it's completed here. So I can install it from here. Yes. So let's do this. I don't want to Google Chrome. I want to customize it. I want to disable certain features. It's always wise to do a customized installation of any program you install, because there is no such thing as a free program. There is always a catch when you are installing free programs. There is always some kind of hidden agenda, a hidden malware or a hidden toolbar or anything that tries to get information from you so it can show you ads on your computer. So I can run the cleaner. So this works. Well, that's great. Alright. Let's open this again. And let's get a YouTube video downloader. This is something I will recommend because I am very fond of this one. This is the one, YouTube video and audio downloader. Install. It goes very fast. Click yes. So it's some kind of converter. I have never looked into in this one what it exactly does, but mostly I click yes and it works, so then it's fine with me. I click it away and I click this one away. Now I go to YouTube You already may have spotted this icon here. Now imagine you have a clip like in Amazing, for example, and you want that clip. You can just click this button, click on download links, and it gives you pause, and it gives you several options to download. Well, if you want the clip entirely, you click just the first one, then you get the MP4 720p plus the audio. So let's click this one. So download, close and continue. So it will download it to the desktop. So if I click this away, it will show you two files. You have one properties, you have one MP4 file, and you have one MP3 file. So if you want to have this MP3 file in your collection, you can keep it, otherwise you can throw it away. So this is the clip I've just downloaded from YouTube, so I can double click it. Normally I would use VLC for this, but I didn't install this yet. It sounds bad because I actually am recording this from within a virtual player. I'm using Bandicam to record this at a 9020 by 1080p window. So it's just to tell you about Firefox, what you can do about it to make it look decent again without all the nasty stuff. So I hope you are happy with it. Sorry for my bad English language. I'm still working on it, and I hope to see you soon again. So okay, see ya. Bye bye.